found a message from my best friend hidden in your phone. It said she missed your touch. Why, thanks so much. I guess I should have known. Later on the freeway, suddenly my left front tire explodes. Standing by the side, you both passed me by in a red convertible. This is me, I'm so royal, and you all wanna be round.
Hello my Fabs creators, and today I have one proposition for you guys. If you guys get this video to 1,000 views before Sunday, I will do a Bratz challenge for you guys. So that means that you need to send this video to your mom, to your dad, to your friends, to your worst enemy, to your crush. You can even send this like a conversation starter, like, hey, watch this video, it's really cool. And then you can start talking with him, but tell him to skip this part so he doesn't know our little secret. Basically, send this video to everybody you know so we can get to 1,000 views before Sunday. Anyway, I'm super excited for this DIY room decor Valentine's video, and I hope you guys are excited as me because every DIY turned out amazing. I am in love. I mean, look at that. That looks amazing. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell to get a notification when I do a new video. Give a huge thumbs up and comment down below. Follow my Instagram, my Twitter, my Snapchat. Now let's start.
For this DIY, we're going to do a Polaroid heart garland. The first thing that we will need is clothing pins. We're going to paint them the color that you want, and then we're going to get air modeling clay, heart cookie cutters, and we're going to cut a lot of cute little hearts. Then we're going to remove the excess clay, and we're going to dip our fingers in water and smooth the edges of our hearts. Then we're going to wait until they dry, and then we're going to paint them. Now we're going to glue them together, and that's literally it. It's super easy and beautiful. I love this DIY.
One step forward and another back. I would never try to fool ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer.
Polaroid holder. Okay, for this DIY, I was supposed to make something very Valentine's like, something saying love or XOXO, but your girl forgot to buy the half of the ABCs, so I had to spell my name because I couldn't spell love, I couldn't spell XOXO, I couldn't even spell hug, okay? I just noticed I could have spelled hug. Anyways, we're going to need parchment paper and a ruler. We're going to make a rectangle. I measured the letters, and the letters are like 1.5 inch. So since I'm using 3 letters, I made it 4.5 inches. Then I added my glue. I noticed that the edges weren't really good looking, so I decided to get a pen and the ruler and make lines to make it perfect, to cut off those raw edges. Then I got this super cool gold glitter glue. I don't know what they're called. I put the glue on the letter in the silicone mold, and then I wait for it to dry. Cut off the extra edges. We're going to get jewelry wire. Then we're going to cut off a piece. Then we're going to take the wire and just roll it like this. I rolled it 3 times. I want the circle to be in the middle, so I fold it like this. Put glue on the letter. Put a little jewelry wire, and then put glue again, and then we're going to repeat the same step for every letter. Get a rectangle. Put glue on the bottom of our letter and glue it to the rectangle. If your rectangle is too big, just cut off the excess, and that's it, and it looks so beautiful. I am obsessed.
So you think you were right? Bring it on, prove me wrong. Go put up a fight. The way I do will knock you down. You know there's an ocean.
Now we're going to make this super cute heart arrow. We're going to get paper board and then we're going to trace our cookie cutters. We're going to cut it and then we're going to get our yarn. We're going to tape the yarn in the paper board and then we're going to start rolling the yarn like this until we have a full heart. Then we cut off the excess, put a dot of glue and glue it on the back. Now get gold foamy and a wooden stick. We're going to draw a triangle, then we're going to cut it and then we're going to glue it on the stick. Get tissue paper, we're going to put glue on the stick and then we're going to roll it like this. We're going to cut a little piece like I am doing right now. We're going to add more glue and roll it. Cut off the excess and then we're going to do fringes like this. Glue our hearts. And then we're going to get some pom-poms and also glue it. And that's it. And it looks so pretty. This is so cute. I love it. Luego buscamos pompón y lo pegamos en esta parte. Y ya eso esto se ve tan lindo. Me encanta.
Coffee cups and cigarettes laying around the room. I don't mind a little mess, just wanna stay with you.
Heart cactus. We're going to get a hard silicone mold, fill it in. When it dries, remove it and look how awesome it looks. Now we're going to glue them together like this. And whoa, it's looking so pretty. And now we're going to paint it. And now we're going to get creative and do lots of little designs. Get a flower silicone mold and do 6 little flowers and paint it pink. Then we're going to glue them to our cactus. Then we're going to get some parchment paper. Put glue like this, wait until it dries and draw little hearts, cut it, paint them, and then we're going to glue it to our cactus. If you want to add a little dimension to our cactus, just add this to the flowers, hearts, and cactus. Get paper board and trace your pot. Then you're going to cut it. I painted it, but you don't have to paint it. Now get white foamy and trace your paper board and then glue the foamy on the top. Now paint your pot and then put the paper board on your pot. If you want this part really glossy, add a little dimension. When it all dries, we're going to glue it together and whoa, I love this DIY. It looks so pretty. I am in love.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back.
And for our last DIY, we're going to do a heart pillow. We're going to get white paper, draw a heart, cut it, get felt, fold it in half, put our pattern on top, pin it, cut it. Get pipe cleaners and we're going to start making letters like this. Then we're going to glue our heart together like this. Remember to leave a little hole so you can put your stuffing inside. Get a cute ribbon and glue it on the edge. Put your stuffing inside the heart and then glue the little hole and that's it. It's so pretty that I am in love with all of my DIYs. I might sound really annoying because I say it in all my DIYs, but it's because I love them all. Leave a comment below telling me which one was your favorite DIY.
Hooked me up one summer night. I was flying sky high. You would always take me out. Oh, now in all those magic nights, our present it's autumn time.
Well, that is about it for this DIY video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give a huge thumbs up and comment down below. Follow my Instagram, my Twitter, my Snapchat. See you later and goodbye. Bye! And don't forget to subscribe to help a girl out. Bye!
My life, my life, my life, my life. Fans creation, she a DIY